So friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to redeem or how to use Roblox gift card. So guys, if you're new on channel, you can consider subscribing my channel, like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, open any browser on your device, whether it is a mobile or a PC, and just search for roblox.com. Just pay attention here. You have to write slash and then you have to write redeem. So this is the address you have to go and just enter here. So it will open this page where you can use where you can use your gift card here. So you just need to enter the code of your gift card, whether it is a virtual item or a promo code. Just enter the code here, check this button, and just click on this redeem button. So your item will be, or your the Robux will be, the gift will be credited into your account. So that's how it works. Hope you like it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.